Samsung's next big flagship lineup, the Galaxy S26 series, is already making noise, and this time, we're looking at three models: the Galaxy S26 Pro, the Galaxy S26 Edge, and the Galaxy S26 Ultra. Just yesterday, we got a sneak peek at some dummy units, and they revealed something huge. Samsung is bringing back the camera island. And here's the twist. The Edge model's design looks a lot like what Apple is cooking up for the iPhone 17 series. Now, if you've been curious about how the S26 Edge would look with that massive camera island, today's your lucky day. Because we've got some super high-quality renders, courtesy of Android headlines and on-leaks, showing the phone from literally every angle. And yeah, the first thing that hits you, the camera island stretches across the back, from edge to edge. That's a pretty bold move compared to Samsung's previous designs. Sure, it's not a carbon copy of Apple's upcoming iPhone 17, but let's be real, comparisons are going to happen. On the S26 Edge, you're getting two cameras and an LED flash sitting inside that island. And with a three-tiered camera bump, this thing could end up looking thicker than it actually is. Samsung might just use that trick to call it one of the thinnest phones on paper, even if in reality it doesn't feel that way. Design-wise, it's still rocking rounded corners, flat sides, and a slim bezel display with a punch-hole selfie camera. Pretty much what we saw on the S25 Edge and what we'll see on the Pro and Ultra versions too. The renders we've got are in white, which means we can probably expect that to be one of the launch colors. Now here's where it gets interesting. Leaks are pointing to Qi 2 magnets across the entire Galaxy S26 lineup. Translation? You might finally get Qi 25 watts wireless charging support out of the box without having to slap on extra cases. If that's true, it makes the whole super thin design pitch a lot more impressive. But come on, do we really need thinner phones at the cost of battery life? Either way, if Qi 2 makes it across the S26 family, Samsung will at least be keeping up with the competition. Google's Pixel 10 lineup has it, Apple's iPhone 17 will have it. So even if Samsung's not first, they won't be left behind. And hey, we could still be looking at some big wins in raw performance, cameras, and hopefully, battery life too. So what do you guys think of this new design direction? Love it, hate it, or somewhere in between? Drop your thoughts down in the comments, and as always, I'll catch you in the next one. Until then, take care.